In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Jira. If you need to break a large user story task or bug into smaller pieces of work, Jira makes that process much easier once you know where to look. Instead of digging through multiple panels and wasting time searching for the right option, you can create subtasks directly from the parent issue and keep your sprint planning clean and organized. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own account. Once Jira loads, head to your project board or backlog. From there, find the parent issue you want to break down. This could be a story, a task, or a bug. Click that issue once to open its full detail view so you can work inside the correct ticket. After the issue panel opens, look just below the main summary area for the action toolbar. In that row, find the option to create a subtask. Depending on your Jira layout, this may appear as a button labeled Create Subtask, or it may be represented by an icon related to issue hierarchy or branching. Click that option once. As soon as you do, Jira will open an inline creation area beneath the child issues or subtasks section within the parent issue. This is useful because it keeps you in context and lets you create the new item without jumping through extra menus or pop-ups. Now enter the summary for your subtask in the blank text field. Keep it short, clear, and specific so your team can quickly understand what needs to be done. A good summary should describe a single piece of work and be easy to scan in a backlog or sprint board. Try to make it unique and descriptive while keeping it relatively concise. If you need to add more detail, move to the right side of that inline row and click the expand or maximize icon. This opens a fuller subtask creation view where you can add more information. From here, choose an assignee if the work already belongs to a specific teammate, and use the description field to clarify the implementation, details, boundaries, or expectations for the task. Before you finish, review the information on the screen carefully. Make sure the subtask is linked to the correct parent issue, and check any fields such as components or priority if your team uses them. Once everything looks right, click the Create or Save button. Jira will immediately add the new subtask to the parent issue and you'll see it appear in the child issue list. That's it. You've now created a subtask in Jira and made your work easier to track, assign, and deliver. Thank you for watching, and